Create an abstract class, shape and abstract method, calculate area, implement two subclasses, circle and square. Each subclass should have relevant attribute like radius of circle and side of for a square and their own implementation of the calculate area method. So here we create an class which is known as oops, sorry, we have to create a class name with shape. Public, make it abstract class so it only contain abstract method. It is like abstract, which is note, or we can make it double. Calculate area. Since it is an abstract class, so we doesn't need to implement it. Now we create another classes naming square and another class naming it as circle. Since both circle and square only have one parameter, so we will have a parameter in it. Now we extend with extends class name is shape. Here is an error. What is it? And it shows that since you extend an abstract class, so you have to definitely implement the method of an abstract class. So we will implement that. So now it is implemented, so there is no error. Now we calculate the area. In circle, we will return what is the area of circle is pi r square. So we will return math dot pi into a into a. And similarly in the square, we extends shape. So here we also need an implementation. So we implement it. And here what we return a into a. So if we make a public static void main, then we if we unblock enter side, then we take input schema scanner equal to new scanner system dot in, and here we output is area is equal to what is calculate area, since we have to make it an object. So square is equal to new square s dot calculate area. Here we will enter side equal to scanner dot next, and we will pass side. Now we enter a side and let the side be 4. So the area is 16. Similarly, we can do for circle. Circle we will replace it with enter radius. हाँ भाभी अच्छा लग रहा है हाँ हाँ in place of shape we will make an object of circle. Now we will run like we enter radius 3, so area is 28. Thank you.